In this video, we will go over the installation of the LiDAR scanner along with demonstrating the two touch and teach programming methods and testing for the automated door. If you pre-ordered the LiDAR scanner, the scanning area will be factory set to the door opening dimensions. This video is for applications where LiDAR is not added at the factory. All steps are also included in the instruction manual. Please view the entire video before starting either touch and teach procedure. Before beginning, you will need a few materials, including the LiDAR scanner and a M12 4-pin cable for both methods. It is important to have the area free of any clutter because the scanner will read any obstructions during the process. For method number 1, you additionally need borders such as large rectangular plywood or cardboard side panels. For method number 2, you additionally need a flat opaque object like cardboard. Touch and teach procedure can be done in two different methods. Method 1 reads the opening below the header while taking in the physical boundaries to the range of the scanner. Method 2 is a person physically tracing the scan area with an object. The LiDAR scanner is shipped pre-assembled, consisting of the scanner, mounting plate, and post-assembly nuts. On the header assembly, measure and mark the center. Mount scanner in the front position of the bracket slot centered closest to the operator's approach. Plug in the M12 4-pin cable into the designated outlet. To ensure the cable avoids the path of any moving components, finish by routing and securing the cable along the header assembly and the door's leg. Connect the black and yellow cables. With the LiDAR scanner mounted and wired, hold plywood or cardboard panels along both door legs to represent side borders. When in place, press the arrow button on the scanner for a few seconds, which would be on your left if you were standing on the right side of the door. Stand clear of the area for the LiDAR to scan and test the area. Do not move the borders during this time. The scan will finish after 60 seconds. Remove borders and follow with a test to confirm a successful scan. This diagram shows what you will be doing for the touch and teach method 2. After the rapid flashing of the LED, there are 60 seconds to perform this method. Stay back a step as you perform this method. Press and hold the start button for 3 seconds. Use a flat opaque object such as a rectangular piece of cardboard for your teach-in tool. Starting at the floor, move the tool upward with a slow and smooth movement toward the top corner of your desired sensing range. Then move across the top, stopping 6 to 10 inches before the LiDAR sensor. Do not obstruct the sensor. Step back and move to the opposite side. Starting at the floor, move the tool upward with a slow and smooth movement toward the top corner of your desired range. Then move across the top, stopping 6 to 10 inches before the LiDAR sensor. Do not obstruct the sensor. Once the desired area is designated, step back and wait for the second rapid flashing LED to stop, which signifies completion. After either programming method, test that the borders were correctly defined. Place a test object, like a small box, into the door's path from the bottom, left, and right side. Also test in front of the door. If the testing was good, setup is complete. If incorrect, please redo the LiDAR scan method process. Please go to the URLs posted in the product guide.